Do you want to crush 2023 and reset your life as a spiritual entrepreneur? Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create content for entrepreneurial energy healers and light workers in the spiritual business. If that's you, continue watching. 2022 had its wicked ways with you, didn't it? It certainly did with me. But 2023, not this time. I'm coming out with guns a-blazing. Pow, pow, pow. Here's what to do to reset your life as a spiritual entrepreneur. Number 1, envision your life. Think of everything you've ever wanted. A new home, a new car, a new business, a new job, a new relationship, a new pet, a better self-care routine, or maybe it's none of those things. Number 2, determine your core values. Determine what makes you feel fulfilled. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy or that you could just come off on the top of your head that that's what it is. I'm just saying to take the time to really think about it. Maybe none of those things are your thing. Maybe volunteering within your community is the thing that does it for you. Number 3, letting the things go that don't bring you joy. If your boyfriend not do you something, let him go. If your friend them a fi, let them go. Let go of things that don't bring you joy. Let it all go. Just let it go. Not only things, but maybe people, relationships, past hurts, mistakes, errors in judgment. Just let them all go. When you let things go, it makes room for more things to come into your life that are for you. Probably wondering, what does that got to do with, being an entrepreneur or being in business? Everything, because all of it is energy. What you do one way, you are most likely going to do in other areas of your life. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be easy. Start small and just work your way through it. Filing, putting things in order and creating an alphabetical order, then that's something that you could do. Get rid of clients that are not working for you is easier said than done. That's all right. This is 2023 coming up. We're going to give it all that we got. As a spiritual entrepreneur, it's important to focus on your health. Your health is your wealth. Take time to clear out your mind. As an entrepreneur, you are literally doing everything. And because you forget that you have to take care of the vehicle, the house you live in. Take the time to reset. You've got to take the time to focus on your physical, your emotional, your mental, and your spiritual self. Time is your most valuable asset. Time is all of our most valuable asset. And like your health, your time is the currency to attain that. And we all have a finite time. No matter how rich or how poor or how whatever you are, we all have an allotted time here. Time is tied to everything that you think about, that you feel, that you're projecting, that you're hoping for. All of it is tied with time. Use it wisely. I know that 2022 just had its way with us and kicked all our asses, some of us more so than others. However, 2023 is just around the corner, and it's important to let all of that stuff go. You can't do anything about it anyways. It's already gone. Let it go. It's past. Now you need to focus on the present moment. Whatever you're doing right now is going to be your past. So how do you want it to look? Use it wisely to serve yourself, your audience, and your community, and see it lead to profitable results. Have total confidence in yourself and crush 2023 with what you are determined to accomplish. It's not what you say, it's actually what you do. So what are you going to do? And remember, stay determined. Never quit. You've got this. Make sure you download your demo kit in the description box below to help you to get started on crushing 2023. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Remember to hit that bell for my next upcoming video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.